Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to get Wi-Fi on American Airlines so you can stay connected while flying. First, make sure your device is in airplane mode and Wi-Fi is turned on. Once the plane reaches cruising altitude, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and select the network named AA in-flight or American Wi-Fi. Next, open a browser. You'll be automatically redirected to the American Airlines Wi-Fi portal. If not, try going to any website and it should take you there. On the portal, you'll see different Wi-Fi plans. American Airlines offers options like a messaging-only plan, a full internet plan for browsing and streaming, or a flight pass if you fly frequently. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment information if required. Some flights may offer free messaging through apps like iMessage or WhatsApp without purchasing a plan. Once payment is complete, your Wi-Fi will activate. You can now browse the web, check emails, or use messaging apps as allowed by your plan. If you run into issues, disconnect and reconnect to the network or restart your device. Sometimes signal strength improves after a few minutes. By following these steps, you can get Wi-Fi on American Airlines quickly and enjoy staying connected during your flight. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.